Hello Stampers, it's Amy Barnes with inkstampspaper.com, and I thought I would just pop in and share some of the fun Give It a Whirl cards that I've created. I did a separate video on this one. This is kind of fun. He uses the In Symmetry stamp set. It has a little greeting and the flowers in it. It's kind of fun. And the card just opens up. This one uses the Give It a Whirl die with the kind of the pie shape cutout, and then a little panel of color on the pattern paper on the front with the postage stamp. And on this one, the brad is hidden behind, and this top layer is just sitting on top of the wheel. It's not connected to it. This one I made with the brad through the front of the card as traditionally designed, and I actually double layered it, so the brad goes through the Bermuda Bay layer and the striped pattern cardstock, and then through the wheel, and then that attaches to the card. This one uses the new Sweet Stockings. Let's see, I think it's called Sweet Stockings. Anyway, it's a brand new one from the upcoming holiday catalog, and then also the Grand Wishes stamp set, I believe is what it's called. And I made this cute little card as a card for a sweet kid that's having a birthday, and I thought the little animals were just fun way to show off. And this one I did use a circle to put a little cutout into the card base just on the front, so that it'd be easier for little fingers to move it without the having to just slide next to the card. Like on this one kind of have to get your finger just in there a little bit. But for little fingers, I thought I'd make it easier by not having any card behind it. So I just used a circle to take a notch out of the card itself, so that the little wheel is exposed from both sides, and it makes it easier to spin. So I thought you might enjoy that little tip. Have a great day. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe.